Hello. In this video we are going to discuss in little more detail how we can make absolute URL or we can make a manual URL. Till the previous video I can show you what we have done. We have done till here. We make a parse method also. Let's delete this for now and we will see it later on. Let's delete this also. So in this video we are going to check in detail how can we make a absolute or a manual URL. So let me show you here what we have done till now. We covered where we are scraping this text, and also we are scraping the link that behind of it, and that we will use to land on this page and scrap this table. So let me explain to you what is the logic behind of that. The logic is that this is the clickable word. So when we're clicking on this, it's going to new page, and we need this table also. So there will be a link behind of that is working when we are clicking. So we already scrapped that link. What we have scrapped, we scrapped this link and we scrapped this title. So our spider can use this link, go to that next page and scrap the table. So what we are doing, we are scrapping all the links one by one with the help of for loop, and then after scrapping all the link, we are yielding that request to visit each link one by one and scrap all the data. So let's start it. How can we do that? Here, let me show you. We Actually, the thing is that after getting the link, we need to send the request to that link to scrap that table. So in scrapy shell we send the request with fetch, but how we send the request in our spider, we will use scrapy request, scrapy dot capital R request with capital R, and we send the request to URL is equal to link. So let's save it that and run our spider. Spider will be run with that scrapy crawl countries. So it's showing what we did. 0 page scrapped at www.parameter.info. Okay, we need to change this link with this in our spider, because this is the this when we generate auto spider as in our previous video. So we need to change that link to with this link that we're going to scrap. Let's control S, save, run our spider again. Okay, after running our spider again, we have a error. Did you see here? Value error, missing scheme in request. So what does it means? What it makes sense? So it means that the scheme request URL, the URL is world population China population. So it missing the HTTPS request. Let me show you. As here we are scraping this link, right? But when we click on this China, we need this link to access this page. This part we are scraping, but this part is missing. This part is not coming. So what we have done, we copy this part. As here in the previous video we make a manual URL, we write here absolute URL is equal to F. It means the right will write the link that we have scrapped. With double slash we put this URL, and then we are adding that link. So this link we have make manual. What we did this command manually, and then we attach the link that we are scrapping. So let's send the request with the absolute URL that we make just now. Let me copy it again and paste it again here. perfect. So what we are doing now, we are sending the scrapy request to this absolute URL that we had make just now. So let's clear this CLS, run the spider again, countries. So let's see, as you can see, let me stop this with we can stop it with control 2 times C, control CC. By the way, it's done. So as you can see here, it goes https world population Russia, Mexico, Japan, Colombia, Philippines. So it scroll all the pages one by one till end. Okay, so this is the one way to make those are relative URL. How can we change them? So the second way is that use this command. What is this? This is the response. That is the when we have parse method, the response coming inside that. So what we did, we make absolute URL, or we can do URL or whatever you want to write there, as much as it's meaningful, and the reader, those will read your spider, will understand what you're trying to do here. So absolute URL, it's making some sense that we are creating a URL. So here what we did, we make response dot URL join dot link. Let's save this. This is the another way, and let's do CLS clear, run spider again. So this is the second way that I am showing how can we can do relative URL to make them absolute URL. So let's control CC, stop it. The third way is by default. We can do that scrapy. No, not scrapy. We will need to do response dot follow URL is equal to link. Let's check this. I hope this will work. By holding with that response dot follow control S, not here, sorry. So let's clear this out, CLS, run it again with scrapy crawl countries. So this is the three ways that I have shown to you how can we build absolute URL from relative URL. That's it for now till this video. In the later on we will, as we have the link, now what we are doing, from this page we are scraping the text, and we are also scraping the link of all the countries that you can see here. What we need to do, we need to make another method where we will use those all link one by one, and we will crawl to this table. This will be same as we done till here, but we need to make another extra method. We will see that in future video. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and subscribe this video and like it. And if you facing any difficulty, you can write the comment down. So also you can contact me. I have attached my WhatsApp number, and you can hire me by Fiverr and by UpWork.